with the monster. Ready, get set, go!
Welcome to Lance's Fun World. Today I'm going to open my Hot Wheels Tiger Shark.
Yes, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Tiger Sharks. But before that, we're going to do a simple lesson. Learning sizes. Okay,
Yes.
comparing sizes of objects.
Yeah.
Okay, so this time we are comparing the sizes of your Hot Wheels cars. You can see there are 3 sizes in front of you. Okay, so Lance, which one is the biggest Hot Wheels?
This one?
Yes, this one is the biggest one. How about the smallest one?
This one.
Yeah, good job. How about these 2 Hot Wheel cars? Which one is smaller?
This one.
Good job. Again, which one is the smaller?
This one.
Yes.
look
And
at
which one is bigger?
This one.
Yes.
And
This
look at
one
the
is bigger
compare.
than the
And
other
look
one.
at the height.
This is bigger than this one.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, let's start opening. Start unboxing.
Okay, let's open it.
This is gonna be fun. Looks so big.
Yeah.
Almost done. It's almost open. Wow, looks so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, remove the cover of this one. Sounds like a monster truck. Okay, so there's the controller here.
Yeah.
Remote control. Okay, it's ready to go. Now let's see which one is the biggest one. The monster truck comes with a battery. Actually. Okay, Lance. Now, which one is the biggest of them all?
This one.
Yeah, Tiger Shark Hot Wheels monster truck. How about the smallest one?
This one.
This one is tiny Hot Wheels. The tiny Hot Wheels truck. Let's try them out. Let's try this Tiger Shark with the other monster trucks that we have, right? So for the race, we are using the big monster trucks.
Orange and
black.
black.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
And those
let's
3 kids
name
are
it.
waiting for us over there. Are you ready for the race? And we have one over here. We have one over there. Oh, Spider-Man! Okay, so there are 4 of you guys. So there are 4 monster trucks.
This is really mine.
Alright, ready?
Yep, we're ready.
Got all the remote controls.
See that one was.
We got extra batteries.
Someone broke this. Now we have to fix it again.
Extra batteries with us here.
Ow.
Few moments later.
We're here on the hill. Let's see
Right.
which monster truck is going to be the fastest. Okay, so Haley's using this monster map because the orange one is the monster. This monster truck is not working. What happened? We charged it, but it's not working. So let's try them now. Okay, guys, on your mark. Ready, get set, go! Okay, guys, take a rest for a few seconds. Okay, again. Alright, guys, ready, get set, go! Look, the hills. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Let's see again this time. Okay, next bottle. Versus doing tiger sharks. Let's go. Okay, everybody on the side. Jump. There you go. Oh God. Look at Oh wow, this is fun. Small, but it's very strong. Wow, look at that guy. This monster truck, this tiny thing is not letting go. Monster man, go! Wow, this body is not going anywhere, guys. They're both strong. Huh? They're both strong. Huh? Alright, tiger shark is going home. Whoa, look at this bottom now. Uh-oh. Wow.
So much fun.
So much fun playing with this monster tiger shark and all these other cars. Spider-Man, Monster Man. Wow, so much fun, guys, eh? Tansito.
Hi guys.
Stay tuned for more fun time with Lancitos.
Thank you.
And then once